4. Apply argan buttermilk to damp detangled hair. Add Style and Shine mousse to a small section of the hair. Next, wrap hair onto the rod in a spiral motion. Rod the entire head. Carefully remove rods from hair to prevent frizz and preserve shine. Use 100% argan oil on fingers. Separate each rodded section of hair into 2 to 3 parts to create volume. Continue to separate and fluff until desired look is achieved.